I am calling you about tomorrow's plans.
My name's Guitar, and the reason why I'm making this video is for you guys, and by you guys I mean all of Peter's family and friends. But his birthday's coming up, and I know at Peter's ceremony there wasn't a chance for many of us to speak, and I felt so honored that so many people wanted to tell me stories. So I want to take a chance to give all of you a chance to say your greatest stories about Peter, how you met, anything that sticks out. I want to be able to work together all the pictures and footage I have of Peter and make a nice little gift for him and his family. It would really be more fitting for the family to sit down and watch rather than just go through all this footage of me and Peter making fart jokes. So this project is for everybody that knew Peter, and I don't want to discriminate anybody, so if you have a story to tell, please, I left my information down below, so if you can help me out with that, I appreciate it. And I want to hear stories about Peter, and let's celebrate the legendary guy that my buddy was. This project's for all of us, and I know everybody wanted to tell me stories, and I want to give you all a chance to tell your story about Peter and celebrate his life. So thank you again. I will see, hopefully I'll hear from you guys soon. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
Give me a call before I knock out in like 45 minutes.